Now that you have understood the working of a relay, let us understand relays using practical examples. We will be creating a relay circuit to control the direction of a DC motor. The inputs will be two push buttons. Let us call them forward push button and reverse push button. For those of you who are unaware about how to control the direction, here is a small side note. The direction of a DC motor can be changed by changing the polarity of the power given to the DC motor. So, we will need to build a circuit such that when the forward push button is pressed, the two leads of the motor get a particular polarity. When the other push button is pressed, the polarities need to be changed. Consider the following diagram. This is a diagram of the H bridge. Here, at a time, only two switches are active. Using this switching, we can change the polarities. When switch A and C are active, the motor runs in one direction. When switch B and D are active, the motor runs in the opposite direction. But it is difficult to press these switches together properly at the same time. And moreover, it is dangerous to operate switches carrying high currents through them. To solve these problems, we can replace the switches with relays and trigger the relays from the comfort of a control room and away from harm's way. The circuit is designed such that when the forward push button is pressed, relays A and C are latched and relays B and D are unlatched. When the reverse push button is pressed, relays B and D are latched and relays A and C are unlatched. In this manner, relays can be used to control the DC motor direction running at high load conditions. Hope you have clearly understood the example and working. We will be covering one more relay example in much more detail in the next video.